welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's a very abrupt start to the video, but I wanted to get up a little bit further up there, make some food and then start shooting, but the lighters came out through Llyn Valley and it looks absolutely stunning. So I've done a portrait shot, I've done a landscape shot, and basically I'm just running about trying to find some compositions in all of this stream. I've got like another 2 hours until sunset, so I know I've got plenty of time, but when the light's this good, you can't miss the opportunity, because all it takes, especially in the mountains, is one big cloud to get blown over and then that's it, you've got no light for the rest of the evening. So I'm going to take this opportunity now to get these shots and then try and set up a better composition, get my filters on, and then actually explain what we're going to be doing in today's episode. Right, what did I say before? I said I got some nice shots earlier with a light, but the problem now is that it's gone. So I've headed up the stream to this dry stone wall, and then it's a bit of a classic shot, but I have to get it while I'm here. And I've set up my composition, because where the sun's setting, the light should shine through the valley, which it kind of is. There is a little bit of light on the mountains here, but I'm just waiting for it to drop a little bit lower and then give me that golden light. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. We are at the next location, which is Llyn Padarn, and if you don't know the spot, we're going finding the lonely tree. It's not hard to find. I know I was hoping for some really nice light. Yeah, there's not much going on, but we have got a nice reflection in the water because it's relatively still, and it's going to give us a great opportunity to actually use my filters and discuss the plan, which is what we was going to do last night, but we can do it tonight now. It's basically just using the different filters and why you should use them under what scenario. So I'm going to get my camera out and set myself up. The first shot that I'm taking here is just a very simple portrait, and it worked. Oh no, I've just missed it. No, I've just missed them birds flying over. Oh damn it. Okay. Well, I'm going to get the shot anyway. That was not good. So I'm going to go ISO 100, f8, and 2.5 second shutter speed. The first filter that I'm deciding to use is my circular polarizing filter. And the reason for that is because it's very good at cutting out reflections, which kind of goes against the point of getting this shot. You see it slowly cuts out the reflection in the water. So about there, and I'm going to get that shot as well. Because then I can show you the actual differences and compare them. Another good reason for doing that is because then I have the detail in the foreground if I need it. Usually you can see the mountain ranges in the background, but because of this cloud, there's just nothing there. I think there's a castle over there in the background actually. It's difficult to see. It's over here. I mean, this is just a stunning location anyway. Regardless.